Hey guys, this is Diamond Glitter Princess. I'm just doing the natural things that I do, and I don't know, maybe I'm just late with this tip, but I don't remember saying it, nor I don't remember nobody else saying it. Maybe I just haven't saw none. Okay, but anyway, so I'm over here doing my lovely pet owl, and it's coming together real good. I got the blue in there, little blue and little yellow and all that good stuff. And what I wanted to show was a tip on not getting sticky, because I was up here getting all sticky when I was up here doing these, and then I came down here and I started doing the tail, and then I was like, okay, well, let me start doing some of this eye. So when I was doing the eye, I was like, okay, well, my arm is on the little the plastic. So I was like, okay, is this a tip or not? I think it is, because my arm is all relaxed and I'm not sticky. So as you're doing each part, each item, because I guess I don't do it, I guess I just go up. I go up and I go down. I put this up or whatever, and then I just work down here and and I'm just sticky, and I'm like, dang, 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 dang. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, oh my gosh, I just cannot focus because I'm getting sticked all the time, and then I be doing all this stuff, and then okay, so the trick is to, I don't know what the trick is at the bottom, y'all. Y'all might got a comment on that. Like, comment, subscribe on my channel to get more. But what are some good tips of not getting sticky and having all your hand just sticky on these products? So, well, at the bottom, the places where, oh my gosh, not all this stuff is sticky. See, I'm doing too much. Doing too much. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh wow, so frig this mess. Okay, I just got mad. Okay. Sometimes you just gotta get mad at that stuff. Okay, but did you get the point? The point was, have the sticky stuff where you can glide your arm and your hand across without getting sticky at the bottom. And then you're like, oh yeah, it feels so great. And then, as I'm getting all up here, my hand is just all on the little owl's face and stuff. So I had this plastic till I got mad at it. I had the plastic. Have you ever got mad at the plastic? I want to know. Like, comment, subscribe, and comment. Has the plastic ever gotten your way? I personally always throw it off. I get mad plastic mad. Us diamond people just gotta get mad at that plastic, But hey, I just connected with the plastic. Now I'm mad at the plastic. Hey, that's life. But the tip is, have the plastic down here and glide as you going over instead of getting sticky all your hand. I'm a lefty, so this is my left hand. I'm just doing all this and all that. Okay, well, until then, I'll be working on this. I also need a frame. I'm working on this, and I'm gonna be doing the frame, guys. Boom, 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 boom. I'm gonna be doing a frame. Forget this. We need to figure out what can we do with this. I'm getting mad. This is why I'm so focused on here, because I need to figure out what to do with the frame. So that's gonna be my project. But anyway, tip is glide with the plastic and then throw it. Glide it, throw it. Because see, it's sitting over there. Glide it and throw it. All right. And like, comment, subscribe. Like if you like that tip. And like if you get mad at the plastic. Because me and plastic got something to talk about. And while I do my diamond, I can get back with my plastic. Okay, guys, be blessed. Bye.